Hello and welcome to this brief demonstration regarding authorizing a guest or vendor in dwellingLIVE via a web browser. This is what you're going to learn in this particular demonstration. First, how to log into dwellingLIVE, select a guest, enter your visitor details, and send your visitor an ePass. In this series of video tutorials, there's also a companion video about doing the same process using a smartphone such as an iPhone or an Android. So let's begin at the beginning with a demonstration. So let's see those steps in action. I'm in Apple Safari, coming to my favorites area in my La Quinta folder, clicking on that, selecting the LDLP login, bookmark, which I just realized should probably be LDLP-dwellingLIVE login. So I'm going to click on the LDLP login bookmark, which takes us to the Laguna de la Paz section of the dwellingLIVE website. The first thing I'm going to do is enter my login credentials. Those were sent to you in an email from the HOA office after you submitted your homeowner and tenant information form. So I'm going to enter my email and my password, and I'm going to click on Log In. And that takes us to the dwellingLIVE homepage. I'm at the homepage. You can see my name here, Roadrunner. I have no details in here, but I'm going to come here to Add a Guest. Click on Add Guest. Type in their first name, Fred Blotz at Blotz-O-Magic. As you're gaining familiarity with dwellingLIVE, it's suggested that you use both of these to get started. So I'm going to enter an email here for Fred Blotz at Blotz-O-Magic, Fred at Blotz-O-Magic.com, clearly a contrived name, and a phone number, clearly a contrived phone number. If I had any notes for the attendant, I'd put them in here. I can set a start date and an end date for this particular pass. So as I'm recording this, it's a Sunday, but I know that Fred's scheduled to come tomorrow, Monday the 27th, and they're going to be here through the end of September 2021. So I just click those two things, and I click on Save. When I click on Save, dwellingLIVE presents this confirmation page for me so that I can verify all the information. I've got Fred Blotz at Blotz-O-Magic. His email pass is going to be sent to Fred at Blotz-O-Magic. His text pass to... Now this part's very important. For those e-passes to be sent, those are the passes with the QR codes that help your visitor speed entry through the gate, you must click Send. When you click Send, you will get an e-pass sent confirmation, which takes me back to the dwellingLIVE page, and here we see under Guests, I now have Fred Blotz at Blotz-O-Magic and the dates that they are scheduled to come in. They are a temporary authorized visitor. Fred has received an email as well as a text message, which generates a QR code that your visitor can then display at the gate to speed their entry, and that's covered in another video. That concludes our demonstration. Thank you for watching this brief demonstration about authorizing a guest or vendor in dwellingLIVE via a web browser. And please recall, at Laguna de la Paz, our safety begins with you using dwellingLIVE.